The Ford F-Series Tailgate Camera by Red Wolf is a remarkable replacement for the factory handle, offering seamless compatibility with a range of Ford trucks, from model years 2004 to 2016. This innovative backup camera features an adjustable parking grid line system, allowing users to easily switch guidelines on or off without the need to cut any wiring. Equipped with advanced technology, the camera boasts a high-definition lens with a wide 150-degree viewing angle and impressive low-light sensitivity, ensuring clear visuals in various conditions. The installation process is straightforward and requires no drilling, as the camera handle replaces the original equipment manufacturer tailgate handle directly. The product includes a comprehensive package with a 26-foot RCA video output cable, providing ample length to connect to your vehicle's display device. Overall, the Red Wolf tailgate camera is a superb upgrade for enhancing the functionality of your Ford truck's rear-view system.